Digital products are something you can sell on your EzyCourse platform. Digital products are simply things that users download. So it could be zip folders full of resources, it could be downloadable printable worksheets, it could be templates for a particular software program. Now it's really easy to add digital products. I'm just going to edit this one so you can see how simple it is. You just give it a title, a description, choose a category, set your pricing and upload your images. Now let's have a look at how this looks like for a user on your EzyCourse site. On the site, we've got an all products page just here, and you can see there's a digital products category. Now, this one is already purchased and I can just simply view it in the dashboard. This one I haven't yet got, and if I wanted to, you can see the price here. I can hit the download button and that will take me to the shopping cart to purchase that digital download. Then once I've done that, in my dashboard, I can go to digital products and there I can download the products that I've purchased. So digital products, another revenue stream for your EzyCourse site.